Today I want to give you 3 low volatility ETFs. These are ETFs that will soften the volatility in your portfolio, the swings up and down and all over the place during volatile times. We're now in the month of August, and August and September are known as the most volatile times seasonally for the stock market. So here's 3 ETFs that I currently hold as I moved positions into these ETFs that help soften the volatility in your portfolio. The first is SPLV. Okay, this has 100 holdings taken from the S&P, the SPX 500. Okay, it's 100 holdings. That is the lowest volatility. Volatile companies, the big companies, oftentimes utilities, healthcare, things like that. They're big companies, low volatility. So that's what this stands for. S&P, LV, low volatility, from the S&P 500, 100 companies. The other one is USMV. This currently is around 180. I think it's a little over 180 holdings from the entire US market. Okay, and this is 180 not just from the S&P 500 but from the entire US market. So it's going to have some different things than what's in here. And the third is SP, you got your S&P there again, S&P 500 HD. These are 50, okay, 50 companies that are low volatility, but the difference, taken from the S&P 500 again, but the difference here is it's also high dividend. Okay, so they're low volatility but have a high dividend as well, taken from the S&P 500. Now, if you want one that I'm currently not holding, okay, but if you're wanting something that is outside of the US, it would be IDLV. This is International Developed Low Volatility. 200 to 300 companies, right? 200 to 300 companies that are from developed countries. So think Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Europe, places like that, okay? International, outside of the US, that are low volatility. Thanks for watching. Follow along.